Hello, everyone! So today we are diving into some powerful Google AI tools hidden inside apps you already use every day. So, without wasting time, let's begin. Let's start with Google Search. There are two interrelated AI features, AI Overview and AI Mode. Now, when you search something like latest AI trends, you instantly get a clean AI summary at the top. Powered by the Gemini model, to understand your query and surface a concise, summarized answer directly at the top of the search results. And with AI Mode is full AI chat experience built directly into search. It is highly search-focused and prioritizes real-time web data. You can ask follow-up questions like you're chatting with an assistant. Okay, now Google Maps just got a powerful AI upgrade. And most people don't even realize it. You can still search simple things like cafes near me, but now you can ask real, natural questions. For example, good vegetarian restaurants in Pune, or even quiet cafes with Wi-Fi, not crowded, good for studying. And instead of random results, it gives you curated places with photos, reviews, directions, and travel time. You can instantly see what fits your mood, your budget, and your location. It's not just searching anymore. It's like having a personal guide that plans everything for you, all in just a few seconds using Google Maps. Inside Chrome, there's a built-in AI assistant called Gemini. It's called Ask Gemini, and it can understand whatever is on your screen. Let's say you're reading something long. Instead of scrolling endlessly, you just ask, because AI can see the page you are currently visiting, allowing you to ask questions specific to that content, like, summarize this in 5 points. And boom, it gives you the key ideas in a clean, simple format instantly. Now imagine you're shopping online. You open Amazon and check out Samsung's latest phone. Then you open another tab with an iPhone. Instead of comparing everything manually, you just ask Gemini. Compare these two products, and it gives you a clear comparison, features, differences, and what actually matters. It saves time, reduces confusion, and helps you make decisions faster. That's the power of Ask Gemini, your smart assistant, right inside the browser. Now the next feature is on YouTube called Ask. Let's say you're watching a long video, but you don't have time to go through everything. You can just ask, summarize this video, and instantly it gives you a clear, short summary covering all the important points. No need to watch the entire video or skip through different parts. And if you want more detail, you can ask follow-up questions too. It's like having a smart assistant that watches the video for you and gives you exactly what matters in seconds. So that's all for today. Hope you found something useful. Try these out and let me know your favorite in the comments. See you in the next video. Till then, have a great day.